We are going to take a look at a Nederman S-750 dust collector. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, like, share, and turn on notifications to receive our latest videos as they drop. The S-750 has a 7.5 horsepower motor and produces 4,500 CFM. There are 24 filter bags for a total of 243 square feet of filter media. Below the dust collector, you will find 3 clamps for easy removal of the plastic waste bags. This S-750 does include a starter and is currently wired for 230 volt 3-phase power.